Hey there, future financial wizards and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you simple and fun explanations for complex concepts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of options trading and demystifying the concept of options delta, using a magical kite analogy. Imagine you have a special kite that can change its shape based on how strong the wind blows. Well, in the world of stocks and trading, the wind represents the movement of a unique toy called a stock. Sometimes it goes up, and sometimes it goes down, just like the wind can be strong or gentle. But here's where it gets interesting. We have a magical number called delta that helps us understand how much the kite's shape, or the price of something, like a toy or candy, changes when the wind or the stock's price changes a little bit. It's like predicting whether your kite will soar high or stay close to the ground depending on how strong the wind is blowing. If your kite's delta is big, get ready for an exciting ride. That means it will change a lot when the wind gets stronger or weaker. So, if the wind picks up, your kite might shoot up into the sky, and if the wind slows down, your kite might gracefully descend. But if your kite's delta is small, it's like having a steady companion. It won't change much even if the wind changes a little bit. So, your kite might maintain a similar height, no matter what the wind does. In the stock market playground, traders and investors use delta to make smart choices and understand how much the price of a toy, or a stock, might change when the wind, or the stock's price changes. It's like having a superpower that helps them predict whether a stock will go high or low based on how strong the wind is blowing. So, whether you're new to the world of finance or a seasoned explorer, join us in unraveling the mystery of options delta using the enchanting world of magical kites. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this explanation helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in learning.